Open up the piano and let's play No One Like the Lord by Bethel Music and Jenn Johnson. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain and seated on the throne. There's no one like the Lord. And the elders, preachers bow, giving praise to Him and Him alone. There's no one like the Lord. Alright, let's get started. Now first, I will show you the key of this song and which black keys we will be using. This song is the key of E major, so there's a total of 4 sharps that's coming out, 4 black keys. I have the F sharp, I have the C sharp, G sharp as well as the D sharp. Okay, so these are the 4 black keys that will be coming up in the chords later on. There's a total of 7 chords for this song. However, for this tutorial, we're going to do it a little bit different. For my usual tutorials, I always have 3 notes on my right hand. Okay. However, for this tutorial, since we are doing in the key of E major with 4 black keys, I'm going to simplify it to 2 notes on our right hand as well as 1 note on our left hand. Okay, so this tutorial is totally beginner friendly, so I encourage you to try it together with me. So let's start with the first chord. We have a C sharp minor, where our right hand, I'm going to activate my finger 2 and finger 4, okay, on C sharp and E. Okay, so just these 2 notes for my right hand, and left hand I have a C sharp. Now this is our C sharp minor chord that we will be using for this song. Next chord, we have a A major, where my right hand continue to have a C sharp and E, and my left hand is going to be a A. This form A major chord. Okay, so the goal is for us to move minimally for our right hand. Next chord, we have a E major, where my right hand, instead of a C sharp E where we were doing for the first 2 chords, we have a B and an E. Okay, as for my left hand, I'm going to move down to E. Now this is our E major chord for this song. Next chord, we have a G sharp minor, where I'm going to keep my B, and then my right hand, I'm going to add a D sharp over there. As my left hand, I'm going to shift to G sharp. Now this forms a G sharp minor. And next we have a F sharp minor, where I'm going to activate 2 black keys. I have a C sharp and a F sharp. Okay, and my left hand is going to be a F sharp. This forms our F sharp minor. Next we have a B major, where I have my B and a D sharp, very similar to our G sharp minor. Okay, so for our G sharp minor is a B, D sharp on my right hand and a G sharp on the left hand. However, for B major, we're going to keep the right hand B and D sharp, but our left hand going to move up to B. Okay, so this is our B major that we are going to use for this song. And lastly, we have a B on D sharp that's coming out during the chorus. So for our B major, we have a B and D sharp for right hand, left hand, we have a B. Okay, so for our B over D sharp, left hand, we're just going to go up to D sharp, where our right hand remains. Okay, in the event that you prefer a more basic kind of playing, you can move down 1 octave. This B on D sharp, no problem. If you would like a closer range of fingerings, we can move up to a higher octave for D sharp. Okay, so here marks the 7 chords for this song that we're going to use. Here are all the chords you need for this song. Take a moment to pause and practice switching between them until it feels smooth for your playing. If you would like to understand the formula behind major and minor chords, be sure to check out my piano chords video, link below. And if you would like a printable version of this chord sheet, I have prepared it as part of my resources for every of my tutorial on Patreon to take your learning further, so do check it out as well. Before we add any playing patterns, if you are a beginner, I recommend bringing up the chord sheet and just playing each chord once for every change while you sing along with the song. Now this will help you get used to the words and the exact spots where the chord switches. So here's a quick example of how that looks. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain and seated on the throne. There's no one like the Lord. This was just a short example, but you will want to practice this for the entire song and make sure you know exactly where the chord changes happen. I've made the full chord sheet available on my Patreon for download and printing, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So once you're comfortable with the chord changes, you know where to put your fingers, we can start adding the different patterns for this song. The playing pattern for verse, we're going to keep it simple, it's going to be a both, right and right and right for every full bar. So let's play verse 1 slowly. C sharp minor. There is one on the throne. A major. Jesus. E major. Holy. G sharp minor. C sharp minor again. He is worthy of praise. F sharp minor. 2 black keys on the right hand. F sharp, C sharp, left hand, F sharp minor. Honor. E major. And glory. B major. Let's play verse. Smoothly ready. 1, 2, C sharp minor, full bar, go. There is one on the throne. Jesus. Holy. C sharp minor again. He is worthy of praise. F sharp minor. Honor. E. And glory. B major. So let's move on to our chorus where we're going to up our playing pattern. It's going to be a both, right, left, right, and right for a full bar. However, there's a few half chords coming up, half bar chords coming up. So for half bar pattern, it's going to be a both, right, left. That's all. As we move on to the next half bar. Okay, so let's do it slowly for our chorus. So we sing half a bar of C sharp minor. Worthy. Half a bar of B over D sharp is the half a bar of E. Lamb, who was half a bar of F sharp minor, slain and seated on the half a bar of A. Throne, there's half a bar of B. No one like the 1 bar of C sharp minor. Both. Right, left, right, and right. And the half a bar of C sharp minor again. Elders. Half a bar of B over D sharp. Creatures. Half a bar of E. Bow. Giving. Half a bar of F sharp minor. Praise to him and him a half a bar of A. Loan. There's half a bar of B. No one like the 1 bar of C sharp minor. Both Lord, both right, both and right. So let's try chorus smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So we sing. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain and seated on the throne. There's no one like the Lord. And right. And the elders, creatures, bow, giving praise to him and him alone. There's no one like the Lord. Right, left, right, and right. So let's move on to our last part of the song, and that's the bridge. We're going to keep it to the same pattern for a full bar. It's going to be a both, right, left, right, and right. Okay, however, we have a half bar coming up. So half bar, we're going to keep it simple. Both, right, left. That's all. So let's try bridge slowly. We crown you King of C sharp minor, glory. We crown you King of C sharp minor again, glory. We crown you King of half a bar of A, glory. We half a bar of B, crown you Lord of 1 bar of C sharp minor, all. We crown you, you are C sharp minor, worthy. We crown you, you are C sharp minor again, worthy. We crown you, you are half a bar of A, worthy. Or we half a bar of B, crown you Lord of C sharp minor, full bar, all. Right, left, right, and right. So let's try bridge smoothly. Ready? 1, 2. We crown you King of glory. We crown you King of glory. We crown you King of glory. We crown you Lord of all. We crown you, you are worthy. You crown you, you are worthy. We crown you, you are worthy. We crown you, Lord of all. Left, right, and right. Okay, this marks the end of our tutorial. Great work today! Now every time you practice, you are getting better and more confident at the piano. If you would like the extra support, I prepared resources like chord sheets, diagrams on my Patreon page to guide your learning further. My next video will be a practice track for this song, so be sure to check that out and practice together with me. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and share so you won't miss what's coming next. Now keep learning, have fun. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.